Hi, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have a STEM activity for you today. This is called friction in a bottle. So all you need to do is get some kind of a bottle. It could be a water bottle, that's what I have here. It can be a glass or plastic, it doesn't matter. You need some rice. So here I have my bag of rice. Because you're going to put some rice into your bottle. You can color the rice if you so choose. I just used white rice, just what I had, and I didn't color it. And you can still see what we're going to accomplish with that. So you need to probably get a funnel because that'll make it easier to get that rice into your bottle. So get some rice and put it in your bottle, and I'm going to just show you that I've already done that. The only other thing you need, so you need your bottle, a funnel, some rice. The only other thing you're going to need is a pencil. What you need to do is take your pencil after you've put the rice in your bottle, and you're just going to start and pack the rice down. So keep on putting your pencil down and push and up and down, and just keep on repeating that process. And then I want you to see what you notice. What do you notice when you're doing that? Because eventually what's going to happen, you're going to find out. So you're going to have to do that quite diligently. It's not just a couple times. You have to keep on doing it and go right down to the bottom of the rice and just keep on putting your pencil down and up and pressing, pressing, pressing. So when the rice goes into the bottle, the grains are next to each other, but there's still space. There's still air in between the grains. So as you keep on pushing that pencil down into your bottle, the grains are being forced together to make room for the pencil. So as you continue to push your pencil in, the grains move closer and closer together until they are rubbing against each other. And that's where friction starts to work. So you say, what is friction? Does anybody know what friction is? Friction is the resistance to motion between two surfaces that are sliding or trying to slide across each other. So even when you do this with your hands, that is creating friction. And the amount of friction depends on what materials from the two surfaces are made out of. So here, these are exactly the same, but you could be rubbing against something different. So the rougher the surface, the more friction is produced. So we are packing these grains of rice closely together until eventually the friction is overwhelming, and they'll push against the pencil with a strong enough force that will make the pencil stick. And when that happens, guess what? You can pick up that bottle just with the pencil. So I hope that you will try this. Get some rice, put it in your bottle, and start pressing those grains together with your pencil, and eventually you can stick your pencil down inside and you can pick up that whole bottle of rice. So you have fun with your friction in a bottle, and I hope that you have fun picking up that bottle just with your pencil. Have fun.